I'm Brittany with WTI, and we use our hands for so much, so we don't want the cold to stop us.
And what a difference these rechargeable heated gloves by DINSVTA made. The cord is able to charge both batteries at the same time, and the gloves are waterproof, so comfortable, and I love how there are 3 fingers that you can clip back or easily pull back so that you can have access to use any electronic devices. You just plug in the battery, and I personally appreciated how the pocket is Velcro, so you can close it shut so you don't have to worry about them falling out while you're wearing them. This was perfect because when we do our jobs early in the morning, it gets really cold. So to be able to turn these on to warm our hands, I like how I can open up and have access to my wrist because each of our jobs, we have a limit of 30 minutes so that I can actually work my phone and set the timer. We are doing parking lot cleanup. It is cold and we're doing a lot with our hands. These gloves work great for men and women. My husband also has a pair, and the button is so easy to press to change the intensity of the heat. Like I said, we're using our hands for a lot, whether it's picking up trash, sweeping up debris, or weed whacking. And you can use this for fun also. We were invited to do some stargazing with a telescope to just strap these on. It's got 3 options of low, medium, and high. And then again, to pull back the finger to be able to turn on my heated socks. Everything was just so perfect to be able to watch these amazing stars. We used this on our latest snowboarding trip, and it just made such a big difference to be able to have fun, but have that extra warming bonus on your hands.
So it didn't matter how cold it was or how late it was, I was able to get work done or have fun. And that's my point of view.